Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name's Ken Quick. I go by Coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach in Idaho, from Idaho. And my number is 208-250-8625 if you have any questions on this coach or any other coach. This is a 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 30T LX. We're going to go inside and start in there and take a look around. Follow me. And we start in the bedroom here. You've got a nice queen size bed, windows on both sides. Storage up above with some reading lights. Window in the back's nice. We've got a window over here. Big closet on both sides with dressers, drawers underneath. Got a TV up above here. Another dresser here. You can see our box with our leaf for our table. As we move out of the bedroom, one thing you're going to notice is this coach has no carpeting except up on the dog box. Here's our shower. Good size shower with the skylight. Lets a little extra natural light in. Across the hall we've got a bathroom with some storage and a nice vanity. Gives you plenty of room. There is a privacy door here in the bedroom. And the bathroom door becomes a privacy door also. We move into the kitchen area. Here we've got the pantry. Two-door refrigerator, freezer up above. Across from the refrigerator, we've got Corian countertops here in the kitchen with a little extension for doing your dishes. Covers over the stainless steel sink. Spice rack, storage up here, up above, makes it real handy. Microwave convection oven, 3-burner cooktop right here, and a propane stove. As we move into the living area, this table extends out. There's another leaf that goes in here. There's 2 more chairs for this. This is a televator here. Goes up and down. When you want a window, you drop it down. When you want to watch TV, you've got a couch right across from it. So you have eye-level TV. And we have right up in front here, we have a drop-down bed. The couch also turns into a bed. We got a drop down right here. I'll demonstrate that for a little bit here. And I'm going to push the button and you see how that drops down nice and easy. I'm not going to put it down all the way right now, but you kind of get the idea. It's nice to have that just in case you have a guest along once in a while. As we move forward into the cockpit area, very comfortable seats. This coach is equipped with levelers, automatic levelers. We have side cameras. We have backup cameras. We have a huge screen here that's going to show you your backup camera and your side camera. Over here we've got a desk that flips out. Makes it very nice for the co-pilot. Or if you're already parked and looking at a lake, you can put your laptop on there and do some work and make it a little more pleasant. So we're going to go outside right now, take a look around. This coach is equipped with a Triton V10 motor, like most of them. You've got an electric awning with a cap on it that protects it from the sun. As we move around underneath the front slide here, you're going to have a couple of storage areas. Goes all the way across, almost all the way across up top on that one. Here it goes all the way across. You got a little table that hooks onto the side of the coach for putting drinks or barbecue. As we move down, this is a full body paint coach, so it's going to look good for a long, long time. Storage here. There's one of our water tanks. These all have sensors on the outside. Winnebago does a great job. Another big storage area right here. As we move to the back of the coach, it's all set up to tow. Got electrical outlet there for the braking and lights. You got your receiver. You have a backup camera there with the ladder here. In the back here, here's your Onan 4000 generator. That's a great generator. Fuel goes in here. Here's your clean out bay with a shower, outdoor shower. Moving down the line, here's your dump station right here for black and gray. Nice wheels and tires. More storage over here on this side. And that's a pretty long storage right there. You're going to have propane right here. As we move forward, you can see here's your side cameras up nice and high, so they'll stay clean. Good mirrors also. So if you have any questions about this 30T by Winnebago, please give me a call. Again, I'm Coach Ken Quick at Guarantee RV. Have a great day.